Hey everybody! So I hope you're having a beautiful day. It is a beautiful day where I am right now in Portland, Oregon. I mean, spring has sprung, flowers are everywhere. It is amazing outside. That's all I can say. So I have been sitting on the video for this painting for I don't know, 6 weeks or something. Because there's just something about it that's not finished. And I didn't do a whole lot of embellishing. I just did a simple pour and tilt with a little straw blowout. And then at the end, I thought, okay, I'm going to use Posca markers, which I did, but there's still something missing in the composition. I thought, hey, I have a whole group of people who might be willing to offer their advice. So what I'm asking you to do is go in the comments below and tell me how do you think I should finish this painting. I would love to hear your ideas. I'm sure you guys can see things that I haven't thought of. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and I'm going to keep making these art videos just for you. Here it is dried. All right, you guys. There's still something that isn't finished quite about this painting, and I don't know what to do. So tell me your ideas on how to finish this painting in the comments below. Maybe you can see something that I can't see. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.